Okay. On July 3rd, Congress passed the big ugly bill. On July 4th, President Trump signed it. We know that the bill contains big cuts on the federal level to health care, and 17 million folks will lose their health care, specifically Medicaid. We know the bill cuts food assistance from families, seniors, and children. All of this will make our country and southern Minnesota sicker and hungrier. We know the bill triples ICE funding, and that means there will be more masked people detaining folks, denying them due process, and putting them in for-profit prisons and camps like Alligator Alcatraz. This is not America. But I want to talk specifically about how this big ugly bill cuts will harm our state local budgets. The federal Medicaid cuts will blow a hole in the state budget that the state will need to make up. To do that, the state will likely cut school funding, money for roads, water treatment plants, bonding money, and LGA funding. Rural hospitals and nursing homes, mental health and chemical dependency programs already struggling to stay open will limit operations or close. The state of Minnesota will have to pick up the slack for SNAP benefits. They estimate 450,000 people, 175,000 children, 48 million meals we're talking about. 48 million meals. Food pantries are already stressed and struggling. What will the state have to do to meet these needs? At the county level, there will be a doubling of bureaucratic paperwork for Medicaid, which will cost the county a lot more money to administer and likely throw eligible children and families off the program, which is, I think, their intent. That's what they wanted to do. So all of this will force local governments to raise